from Bees of Glory Shopworks. I'm going to do a little bit of cleaning today on my Fargo, 68 Fargo. And I'll show you what I use. I use a magic eraser, hand sanitizer, baking soda, and a bucket of water with Dawn dish soap. So I let my sponge soak a little bit. I'm going to show you the wheel. Pretty good condition, like not rotted. A few little things here, but yeah, so I wipe it down. I'm gonna get all wet. Then I put, I don't know what's in the hand sanitizer, but I will take it. And yeah, just scrub. Let it soak in a little bit. And I'm gonna go do this and I will be back. Alright, so I got this all done. It's a lot cleaner than what I expected, so here it is. There's some nooks and crannies that I can't really get into, but I tried. So I also decided, oh, I'm gonna try the visor and see how it will turn out. So this is what it would look like before, and this is what it looks like now. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed. So I'm gonna stop for now, go change some water, and continue to clean whatever I possibly can. Right, so I'm all done that, so I'm gonna go grab some fresh water because yeah, she's pretty mucky, and continue to do what I can because this truck is pretty fragile, so I gotta be careful. And thanks for watching. Please go to your shop works and have a great day.